Learning letter Y with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids.
Yummy, yummy yellow yolk. Hopie loves her breakfast. Y is for yummy yolk. She yells with a happy heart. Her yellow bib is spattered with yummy yellow yolk. Yesterday, Hopie played with her yellow yarn. She made a yellow yacht and a yellow yak. Y is for yellow yarn. She giggled. Hopie's yard is full of yellow dandelions. She loves to pick them and make a yellow bouquet. Y is for my yellow yard, she says. Hopie has a new toy, a yellow yo-yo. She tries to make it go up and down. Y is for yellow yo-yo. She yells when it works. Hopie's favorite snack is a yellow banana. She loves to peel it all by herself. Y is for yummy yellow banana, she says with her mouth full. Hopie is learning to write the letter Y. She uses a yellow crayon to practice. Y is for yellow crayon, she says proudly. Hopie sees a yellow butterfly in her yard. She tries to catch it, but it flies away. Y is for yellow butterfly, she yells as it flies away. Hopie is helping her mommy in the kitchen. They are making a yummy yellow lemon cake. Y is for yellow lemon cake, says Hopie. Hopie is getting ready for bed. She puts on her yellow pajamas with yellow stars. Y is for my yellow pajamas, she yawns. Hopie is tucked in her bed. Her mommy reads her a story about a yellow duckling. Y is for yellow duckling, whispers Hopie as she falls asleep.
Learning letter Y with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids. Subscribe. Hopie and Friends.